Me and AGMIN going to take a overview of this place, and this is a good location to have a tent. Oh, this is very great way. I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it's our last night together.
Yeah, so last night together.
We need a good place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, nobody look near. How does the possibility that they get your camera in a city is
Okay.
thousands high.
Going to our location. Me and AGMIN. It's 4 p.m. now. We stay by this place. At night this place will go so silent, I guess.
Yeah.
There would be less vehicles. Me and ARMIN going to stay by this place tonight. This is gonna be our last night, so we are quite excited. Tomorrow, after 20 kilometers, we will be like in different ways. So yeah, we got a good location here. So I hope we enjoy. We will enjoy together.
We cook something.
We cook something.
We eat something.
Yeah. And we had a great time together.
Yes,
I must say.
Great race. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
So yeah, hope we meet. Hope we see you soon.
Every time.
Every
see
time.
Twice a lot.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. We're having a good time. Our tent is ready. Now we go to the near market to get some vegetables and stuff, and we cook. And yeah, हम आ गए वापस सामान लेके.
You have to start by your own.
Next time I do my own stuff.
But
Cooking his stuff. Armin is cooking the food. Yeah, what it is?
oh, it's ratatouille.
Ratatouille. Okay, cool. So it's mixture of cabbage, potatoes, and onion, right?
That it is.
Okay, perfect. 5वीं नाइट आज नेपाल की. हम जंगल रुके थे गाबर गांव के पहले, तो दिखाते हैं आपको कहाँ रुके हैं. मस्त जगह है ये. जगह एगमिन ने फाइंड की. तो ये है हमारा लोकेशन. हेलो. Good morning. We had a great sleep.
Yes, you get a good sleep.
So yeah, last day we had together. Me and AGMIN cooking breakfast. Time for the breakfast. AGMIN cooking the eggs. Here's the oil.
Thank you very much. Great, huh?
Yeah. Egg is ready. Scrambled eggs. scrambled eggs.
You like it?
So we have packed up and we're leaving.
We're leaving this beautiful place.
This beautiful place, a beautiful weather. Back on the road.